Welcome! In front of me is a Huawei Bluetooth mouse, and today I'll be going over a simple unboxing of this product. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so there we go. Here is everything that we get. We have Bluetooth mode right here with two different, or not two, but three different pairing options, so you can just kind of be switching through. Oh, right. So magnetic cover, a normal AA battery, and it's already in pairing mode, so you can just pair it. Now, in terms of the design, it is a very low profile mouse. Next to a more traditional mouse, you can kind of get a comparison on how they stack up. The finish of it, to be honest, feels a little bit cheapish, so nothing really like super great. The only, I think, benefit right here is the fact that you have three different pairing options, so you can pair to three different devices like your phone, for instance computer, Mac, and then just by a single press swap between them seamlessly. So it just gives you a nice versatility. Other than that, the scroll wheel is just kind of meh. Click as a tactile for the scroll wheel, and the buttons are as well. But in general, in terms of the profile of the mouse, it is more just kind of like, you know, flat on the table. You barely have like any kind of natural feeling position for your hand, so that's one. In terms of grip, you're probably going to be more like gripping it from the sides like this, similar to what you do with an Apple mouse if you ever used that one. Though compared to Apple mouse, this is better in terms of just usability. Apple mouse I just can't seem to use, and the fact also this doesn't have a built-in battery, so once this one dies you just need to swap it out, or maybe have like a rechargeable one. You can take it out, charge it, and then pop it back in. But there we go, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.